Netlify WordPress 101, WordPress to 11t static site. Netlify is a cloud-based platform that offers web hosting and deployment services, primarily focused on static websites and Jamstack, JavaScript, APIs, and markup architectures. While Netlify doesn't natively support traditional dynamic content management systems, CMS, like WordPress, it can be used alongside WordPress in various ways, particularly for headless WordPress setups or for hosting static assets generated from a WordPress site. Here's how Netlify can be used with WordPress. 1. Headless WordPress. With a headless WordPress setup, WordPress is used solely as a content management system, CMS, to create and manage content. Instead of serving the front end of the website directly from WordPress, the content is fetched via the WordPress REST API and displayed on a separate front-end application or static site generator. Netlify can host the front-end application or static site generated from the headless WordPress setup. This approach allows for decoupling the content management and presentation layers, providing more flexibility in design and development. 2. Static site generation. Some WordPress plugins and tools allow you to generate static versions of WordPress sites, which can then be hosted on platforms like Netlify. Plugins like WP2 Static or Simply Static can convert a WordPress site into a collection of static HTML files, CSS, and JavaScript. These static assets can be deployed to Netlify, leveraging its CDN, content delivery network, and global infrastructure for fast and scalable hosting. 3. WordPress plus Netlify CMS. Netlify CMS is a headless CMS solution that can be used alongside WordPress. While it's not directly integrated with WordPress, Netlify CMS can manage content stored in Markdown files in a Git repository. Developers can set up a workflow where WordPress is used for certain content types, while Netlify CMS handles others, with Netlify hosting the front end. This approach allows for a hybrid setup where WordPress is used for complex content management tasks, while Netlify CMS provides an easy-to-use interface for managing simpler content types, such as blog posts or landing pages. In summary, while Netlify doesn't directly support hosting traditional WordPress sites, it can be used alongside WordPress in various ways, particularly for headless setups, static site generation, or using Netlify CMS alongside WordPress. These approaches allow developers to leverage the strengths of both platforms for different aspects of website development and content management.